Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what Tesla is best known for. When you hear the name Tesla, the first thing that comes to mind is likely electric cars. While the company is a dominant force in the electric vehicle (EV) industry, its notoriety extends far beyond just its vehicles. Tesla is a technology and energy company that has disrupted multiple sectors with its innovative approach. Electric vehicles and technology. Tesla is best known for its electric cars such as the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y. These vehicles are celebrated for their long range, high performance, and advanced technology. The company's focus on battery technology has been key to its success, allowing for longer distances on a single charge and faster charging times. This has helped to alleviate the range anxiety that many people associate with electric vehicles. Tesla's vehicles also stand out for their software and autonomous driving capabilities. Features like autopilot, a driver assistance system, and the promise of full self-driving have positioned Tesla as a leader in automotive technology. The company's unique direct-to-consumer sales model and its network of supercharger stations have also played a crucial role in building its brand and facilitating the widespread adoption of EVs. Energy and innovation. Beyond its cars, Tesla is also a major player in the sustainable energy sector. The company's energy products, like the Powerwall home battery and solar panels, are designed to help consumers generate, store, and manage their own clean energy. This integration of energy generation and storage with its vehicles is part of Tesla's broader mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Tesla has pushed the boundaries of what a car company can be, moving into areas like robotics with its humanoid robot, Optimus, and even creating its own battery manufacturing facilities known as gigafactories. This relentless pursuit of innovation has earned Tesla its reputation not just as a car company, but as a groundbreaking tech company with a vision for a sustainable future. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.